10 common activities to practice self-love. Only from within can you find the love you want. That is why someone else's affection will never make you completely happy. And you will never feel safe unless you are confident in your own self. Here are some common activities to practice self-love. Every day, only for a moment, live in the moment. Take a minute to reflect. Consider where you've come from and the beauty of the fact that you are alive and how much of a blessing that is. Practice daily gratitude. Start a thankfulness diary, an Instagram account, or a blog. Or simply take 3 minutes each day to think about all the things you're grateful for, like your body, your life, your friends, your nation, and any and every small thing you encounter each day. Society has taught us that self-care is selfish, and being labeled selfish is our greatest fear. As a result, we work ourselves to death so that everyone may see how wonderful we are. However, being good in the eyes of society comes at a price, and that price is your happiness. Stop trying to be good and start looking after yourself. We talk about self-care habits on another vlog that I will link at the end of this video. Your mental health is influenced by what you put in your body, not only biologically, but you sit and guilt yourself if you eat something you think is wrong. Eat things that you enjoy and that are natural. Your body will appreciate it. Don't just join a gym membership and never use it. Try out a new type of physical activity to see what you like, then go for it. Running, Zumba, boxercise, spinning, swimming, the list goes on and on. Try them out and see how it can improve your happiness. Surround yourself with supportive and encouraging individuals. Allow them to remind you of how incredible you are. If someone is dragging you down with their negativity, try to find others who will fill your days with positive vibes. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may be. Be proud of what you've accomplished and give yourself a well-deserved pat on the back. This is a fantastic way to love and be pleased with oneself. Every day, take some time to relax and unwind. Inhale and exhale slowly, clearing your mind of any thoughts, and simply be. Check out our series of guided meditation videos on this channel that can help you with easy breathing exercises. When we treat people the way we want to be treated, we feel better about ourselves. Be kind to others and spread that positive vibe. You will never know how this one small act might help turn around another person's day. Do you remember something you did once that made you feel horrible, embarrassed, or ashamed? It's time to let go of that. You can't undo what you've done in the past, but you can influence what happens next. Consider it a learning opportunity and have faith in your abilities to be better. You can improve your relationship with yourself by learning and practicing self-love. This is crucial if you want to form healthy relationships with others. Self-love does not develop quickly, but with practice, you will improve. Consider how much you've accomplished one day at a time. Be kind to yourself. Go out there and do things that make you happy. Enjoy them and be the best version of yourself today.